Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD and GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that we have a typical Monday market. Market is flat. There is not much volume activity going on, and we can see that market is mostly waiting for the traders to participate, and that we can expect by the US session and maybe by the later part of the European session. So let's wait and watch. So my dear friends, whatever we have discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. If you're looking for a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. But the levels that we discussed are still the same. Let's look at market sentiment first. Then dollar firm as euro hellos, yuan brushes. Aside China data, dollar was firm on Monday as the euro hovered near a more than a 1 month low amid continued concerns about the political outlook in Europe. So this is the ongoing market situation right now. If you want to go through the or read the article, I will paste the link of the article in the description. And this is the chart of US dollar index or DXY, and we can see the DXY is also silent, sleeping. Okay, and this was pretty much expected. So if the retracement on the dollar index continue, we can expect the next support to be around 104.20 and then 105 105.20 and 105.00. These are the two levels where we can expect the DXY to bounce back. Okay, and as the market sentiment is bullish, so if market continues the upside also, though we have the next resistance around 106. Okay, maybe market will struggle here. Okay, but market sentiment is above all, so do not expect a complete trend reversal like this. Okay, we can just expect few red candles and then market going up again. Always keep in mind, my dear friends, levels are not permanent. Market sentiment is the most important thing. Okay, so market sentiment is bullish for dollar. So if there is a resistance also, maybe market will struggle a little and then market should break the level eventually. So plan your trades accordingly. And this is the chart of Euro USD in front of us. Market is flat. So as we can clearly see, market sentiment is not very positive. Sellers are dominating this market. So taking a sell at resistance is a better and safer trading strategy for us. So here, let's draw a FIBO, and after drawing FIBO, we have the level of 1.0726 that we have already discussed. So this is the level where we can look for a sell because we have the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Along with that, you can see we have the previous support working as resistance, this one. But you must be thinking that my dear friend Avilash, look at the level is far away. So we can also look for some immediate levels. Okay, immediate levels. That's why we are considering another high of FIBO here, and we have level like 1.0711. Market has already tested it, so this level is no longer valid for us. But another level that we have here is 1.0738250. This is a zone for us. So sell on rise or sell at resistance is the best trading strategy considering the ongoing situation. So if market goes up, first level to look for a sell is around 1.0726. If market breaks it, okay, then we need to look for a sell around 1.0738 to 1.0750, because around 38 you can see we have the FIBO 38.2% retracement level. This is the level from where market drop, and along with that we also have the 100 moving average coming down. So if we combine all the factors, then it seems to be a good level, and where sellers are already dominating, definitely we can expect some sort of selling here. So if market reverses, we can definitely hit the sell button. But sometimes market is so weak, market fails to go up. In that case, 1.0666, 1.0666 is the level below which we can look for a sell. But my dear friend, right now we do not have volume. And for a proper breakout or breakdown trades, volume plays a very important role here. So right now, as we do not have volume much, so just Okay, keep it aside. By the US session, if you see market is going down again, dollar index is positive, then you can look for a sell below it, 1.0666. Okay, otherwise, just avoid. Let's talk about the chart of GBP USD, British Pound, US Dollar. So we have a similar scenario here also. Sellers are dominating. Sellers have the upper hand here. Okay, at this moment. So sell on rise here also seems to be the best trading strategy for us. We can see here, okay, we have a good level to sell around 1.2713. This is the first FIBO level, and this is the level from where market fell. Previous support will also be acting as resistance. So if we combine all the factors, 1.2713 or around 1.2713, we can look for a sell. Okay, but we have another good level to take a look for a sell around 1.2735 to 1.2750. Already we have discussed in our previous video also. This is the level where we have FIBO. You can see FIBO 61.8 and FIBO 50% retracement level, previous support working as resistance. We have multiple dynamic resistances. So these are the two levels where we can look for a sell. So if you see market is going up, but there is not much volume in the market, okay, then you can look for a sell around 1.2713. But on the other hand, if you see the market is going up with volume, market is standing at 1.2713 with a big green candle, use your common sense. Common sense and trading goes side by side. So in that case, forget about taking a sell, wait for the next level, 1.2735, 1.274050. So once you see the market is showing price rejection from above, you can go for a sell. No need to wait for the candle to close. Just simply switch to a lower time frame like 5 minutes or 15 minutes to observe the market behavior. After all, there is no such thing as perfect confirmation. Simply observing the market behavior is enough. Once you'll see price is showing a rejection from above, it is a confirmation that sellers are present according to expectation, and you can hit the sell button. That's it. And if market doesn't go up, market doesn't go for temporary recovery, in that case, okay, just like euro USD here also, we can look for a sell below 1.2650. You can see here market has made a low of 1.2657. This is the low made by the market, but 2650 is a round number, so we can look for a sell, sell below 2650 only. So one thing I would like to add here is that uh, if a situation arises or if we get the opportunity to look for a sell, okay, and for example DXY gets very bullish, if you want to go for a sell, then it's better to go for a sell on euro USD in comparison to GBP USD, because you can see, my dear friends, that GBP USD is trying to take support around the 200 moving average. Okay, so this 200 moving average may cause some trouble. So if a sell and breakdown situation comes up, then try to look for a sell on euro USD instead of GBP USD. Okay. So thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care. And my dear friends, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. You'll find all the details on the website. The link is in the description. This workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, not for complete beginners. If you're unable to make money, if you, after knowing all the concepts of the market, still you're struggling, then this workshop will be beneficial for you. You can see these are the topics that we will be discussing during the 3 days workshop. Okay, the topics are mentioned here, and as we all know that simply doing classes is not enough. Okay, so I have also kept 4 weekly sessions. So these are the topics for the weekly sessions, like how to set stop loss and how to avoid stop loss hunting, how to avoid false breakout, multi-time frame analysis, and many other things. And after the class, sometimes we get confused. So we have a WhatsApp group where you will be receiving regular market updates like this, so that you can understand that how to proceed with the market. We also conduct live sessions during important events like NFP, CPI, and we try to make money together. So this is just a glimpse of our WhatsApp group, my dear friends. We also have a Telegram community where other members interact with each other, ask questions, share ideas, and many things happen. हिंदी classes are starting from 21st of June, 21 तारीख से शुरू हो रहा है next Friday, and English classes are starting from 28th of June. You can join now also. You will be receiving free market updates, analysis. And the best part is the fees. It's only $15 for 3 days works or 1 month support. These are the benefits that you'll be receiving. And if you're looking for a longer relationship, if you're looking for personal sessions, then you can go with semi-annual or lifetime. In semi-annual, you will be receiving all the benefits along with 2 personal sessions, and in lifetime, yes, we will be friends forever. And no, and you'll be receiving 6 personal sessions, because trading takes time. We know it very well, and it doesn't happen in 1 month or 2 months. Okay, if you're looking for regular market updates, analysis, and personal sessions to clear your doubts, then yes, semi-annual lifetime can be beneficial for you. And these are the payment methods. Okay, once you're done with the payment, you just need to share a screenshot on this WhatsApp number or email here. Okay, I will be adding you to the group immediately. And my dear friends, if you are very down, okay, in life, just go through the story that I have mentioned on my website. Okay, you will understand that nothing is impossible in the market. That's why I have shared my personal story in detail on my website. Okay, so that okay, you can take it as a motivation or inspiration, whatever you call it. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Okay, if you're interested, okay, please check out the link in the description.